Reform. Noun. The change of something that is defective, broken, inefficient or otherwise negative, in order to correct or improve it. Reform. Verb. To put into a new and improved form or condition, to restore to a former good state, or bring from bad to good, to change from worse to better. Reform. Verb. To return to a good state, to amend or correct one's own character or habits. It is hoped that many criminals, upon being freed, will eventually reform. Reform. Verb. To form again or in a new configuration. This product contains reformed meat. The regiment reformed after surviving the first attack. The pop group reformed for one final tour. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.